Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox my first package from Vital Choice. This is the Salmon Roe that I ordered online, and let's see how it was delivered to me. Okay, so the package came and it was delivered by ground mail, Vital Choice, wild seafood and organics. Says keep frozen here. So let's say contains dry ice. Please read. Do not touch with bare hands. Okay. All frozen Vital Choice package carefully. Dry ice, frozen, carbon monoxide, dry ice, extremely cold. You can get frostbite. Handle carefully. Do not touch the skin, mouth, eyes. Okay. Use a towel or a mitt to protect your hands. Place the wrapped dry ice on the lid of the styrofoam shipping container. Do not put dry ice still on the lid of the shipping container to an open, well-ventilated area, garage, outdoors, patio, porch. Okay, and then within 24 hours, the solid dry ice will convert to gas, so probably just put this outside. It evaporates during shipment. All right, pretty lengthy instructions. So let's see. Thanks for thinking green, earth-friendly packaging. We hope you enjoy this package sent to you with earth-friendly packaging. This is a styrofoam container, I guess, that it was talking about. Let's see. Some packaging. Let me get my mitt. I just put it right here in the sink. Their catalog. This is my first time ordering from this company. I guess I could take my mitt off now. This is the box. It's really cold in here. Even without the ice, I could just feel that it was cold, so it was kept frozen. This feels very frozen. Vital Choice, wild seafood, organic, and this is it. Okay, so August 25th, 18. I'm guessing this was the packaging date. Like, there's a lid here, but once I pull this tab off, I'm not sure that they'll all be sealed. They won't actually all be sealed individually. So even though once I pull this tab off, these aren't going to be individual. So it's a little different than I thought it was going to be, because I thought I would have each quadrant I'd be able to like remove it and everything else still be sealed. Doesn't look like that's gonna happen. So let's see. Because I have to defrost one at a time, the only way to do it is to pretty much remove the whole one piece, because if I pull it off, it's not gonna matter. The rest is gonna come off like if I cut this. And then how I'm supposed to get these out. See, they're all frozen. How I'm supposed to get them out while it's frozen, I'm not too sure. Okay, what I decided to do was just get a knife and cut this piece of film off. Yes, you can still lift it on the other pieces so it's not, completely sealed, which that's probably the part that is just what I wasn't expecting. I was really hoping they would have at least some kind of seal right here in between, so that when you open one, the rest can be completely sealed. For such an expensive product, I would have liked to see the packaging maybe just a little bit different right here. But you have this lid. The lid's okay. It's not airtight, especially since I accidentally, well, I guess it is airtight actually, but I probably wouldn't have wanted to pull the whole film off. I just would have liked it to be individually and then been able to put the lid back on. And then see here, I tore the lid when taking it off, so it's not like it's a really hefty piece of plastic lid. So that's it. And then what I did was I got that one, and this is why I didn't want to take the whole film off, because there's really no other way to get it out but to turn it over, and then I use my knife and I hit the back right here and it popped out. So there you go. See, it's one big frozen piece. It already looks like some of it's defrosting. So I'll close this back up. This one will go in the freezer, and I'll just take out what I need and use it, have the rest in the freezer, and see how it goes. What I also did was go ahead and wrap it up in saran wrap, and then I just put it in a Ziploc bag, and I'm going to stick this in the freezer, but I want to stay as fresh as possible. Not sure that it's going to make a world of a difference, but at least it's a little bit extra protection in the freezer.